guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a really simple and delicious taco salad, which is more than a salad, it's really a meal because it has ground beef, pinto beans, corn, and you top it off with avocados, tomatoes, salsa, green onions. So it's really hearty and it's really fast and easy to make. Everybody that tries it loves it. So remember to please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, because I have lots of family-friendly, fast and easy recipes that are also budget-friendly. So go ahead and get yourself a big skillet or frying pan. I've got my go-to here. And add a tablespoon of olive oil to brown the beef. I have 1 pound of ground beef. It's probably a little hot. Okay, so you're just going to mix the meat around and break it down a little bit with a spatula as it browns. We can go ahead and put some salt and pepper. So a teaspoon of salt and about a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And I've got an organic taco seasoning packet, which we're going to put 2 tablespoons. Go ahead and get that mixed around. Okay, while the meat is still browning, I'll go ahead and crush in the garlic, and I'm gonna crush in 2 cloves of fresh garlic. Gotta love how fast ground beef cooks. It's like less than 5 minutes and it's done. Okay, another minute or 2 and then we're gonna add everything else. This meat is done. So I'm gonna add 1 can of pinto beans that I have drained and rinsed. And beans are pretty interchangeable. You could use black, you could use white beans, kidney beans. I like pinto in this recipe. And then I have a can of organic corn, strained. Okay, so get that mixed. And I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of salsa. Any salsa. That one's Pace. I usually get it because it's pretty inexpensive and the kids like it. All right, so just let that cook for like a minute so everything heats up. And that is the base of our taco salad. So, I mean, seriously, so fast, 5 minutes max. Then we're gonna scoop that into a bowl and put all of the toppings. So I will be right back. Okay, so to serve this, you go ahead and get a bowl and scoop in the meat mixture. And then we add our delicious toppings. So the kicker is crushed chips in this recipe. I absolutely love it. So go ahead and get a handful of tortilla chips and crush them in there. Even if you like Doritos, that'd be really good. Okay, so the chips on top. I have cheddar cheese. Okay, I'm gonna show you what I put and you can put whatever you like. So cheese on top. Actually, you should put the cheese on top of the meat so it melts in and then crush the chips. My mistake. And then I'm gonna put some finely chopped iceberg lettuce and some finely chopped green onions and some freshly chopped tomatoes from Matthew's garden And of course, fresh herbs make everything better. Finely chopped cilantro. And I like to finish it. Oh, no. Avocado. Almost forgot. I am feeling a little spacey today, I'm not gonna lie. Could it be the extra cup of coffee? Not sure. You can put this in any order you want. So avocado. Ooh, love when they're nice and yellow like that, delicious. And I also like to put a little extra salsa on it. And I'm a big fan of sour cream. So we will also do a dollop of daisy. Let's get it creamy. Ooh, there we go. And dinner is served. A 5-minute, beautiful, healthy, delicious taco salad. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll make it. Hit the like button and do share with your friends. Thank you for watching and have a magnificent day. Take care.